Alright everyone, welcome back to another edition of the Combustion Guys Energy Drink Monday.
Is it time again already?
It is time again. And today we have Bush's Rowdy Energy Pineapple Passion Fruit.
This really sounds like a tasty coffee.
Yeah, PowerBurn too. It's also a very pretty can as well. With the purple, the purple fade into the orange. Looks very, very, very good. So, looking at the important factors, we got ourselves 5 calories, 40 milligrams of sodium, 2 grams of carbohydrate, 424 milligrams of potassium, 10.8 milligrams of vitamin C, 1.9 milligrams of niacin, 0.2 milligrams of B6, 0.29 micrograms of B12, and 38 milligrams of magnesium, plus also 160 milligrams of natural caffeine.
They did a good job on the sodium, because some of these things are chock full of sodium, almost too much, but they did a good job.
Nice and light there. Well, this one got shook up a little bit.
Alright, what's it smell like? That dragon fruit
smells pretty good.
Right, last year or so.
Yeah, it's become pretty big of late.
The two of those together should be.
Ooh, yep.
Smooth, or does it bite back at you?
It's definitely heavy on the dragon fruit.
Yeah. I think that pineapple probably matches it with that same peach.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, good. Make that a smoothie and call it heaven. Because it'd be pretty good as a smoothie.
Yeah.
And that
those
good?
Two are really good together.
Yeah.
The pineapple, because you get that
nice and
initial
smooth. Yep.
Like that pina colada smells, you know. But then that dragon fruit kind of mellows it out a little bit there. But it still leaves you a little bit of that tart taste.
Yep, just a little bit. But nice and smooth with the nice little bubbles.
But that nice initial pineapple.
Yep. It's a good one. Well, that's a keeper and go back to it.
Yeah. That's a good blend.
Yeah, because that just that balances each other out very, very good. Makes for a nice and smooth.
Pineapple.
What?
Pineapple, mango, but it's not hard to match up. Pineapple, so that'd be really good.
Passion fruit, yeah, it's kind of hard to match that up with anything. So, but yeah, that turned out really, really good. So, I would suggest you try that one out. SR Day 392, definitely. So, definitely one of the best ones out there. Can go and grab that anytime. Probably a little bit more ice.
No, that's true.
That would be nice. But anyways, other than that, very, very good.
It's kind of toasty, so.
Yep.
But yeah, they nailed it.
Again.
Those flavors, that's cool.
Plus, also, it's got the PowerBurn, so 135 calories supposed to burn. So,
yeah.
nice. So, anyways,
Awesome.
exactly. We'll see you guys here next time. Bye bye.